Did you know that just one spoonful of this common kitchen ingredient can supercharge your plant growth, and hardly anyone is using it? Today, I'm sharing a little-known trick using tomatoes that can transform the way your vegetables, flowers, and herbs grow. It works beautifully on tomatoes, garlic, onions, peppers, cucumbers, and even flowering plants. The best part? You don't need to buy anything fancy. This powerful natural fertilizer is made from something you likely already have at home, and it only takes minutes to prepare. This method might sound strange, but trust me, just 1 tablespoon can deliver an incredible boost of nutrients your plants will love. Here's how to do it. Take 1 ripe tomato and scoop out a heaping tablespoon of the soft pulp, seeds, and juice. Then blend it until smooth. You don't need to peel it, just blend it all into a fine paste. Why tomato? Tomatoes are rich in potassium, magnesium, calcium, and trace minerals. Exactly what plants need for strong roots, vibrant green leaves, and plenty of flowers and fruit. The natural acids in tomatoes also help unlock nutrients in the soil and support microbial life, which improves overall plant health. It acts like a natural tonic. Slow-releasing, gentle, and incredibly effective. Now, mix this tablespoon of blended tomato pulp into half a liter of warm water. Stir well and let it sit for 4 to 5 hours. This helps release the nutrients into the water, turning it into a liquid fertilizer. Once it's infused, strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or fine sieve to remove any leftover solids. Quick reminder, drop a comment and let us know where you're watching from. We love hearing from fellow gardeners around the world. Now, take the strained tomato solution and add another 1.5 liters of clean water to dilute it. You've now got 2 full liters of natural homemade fertilizer, all from 1 spoon of tomato. Use this mixture to water your plants once a month, especially during active growth or just after planting. It will give them a powerful start and help them grow faster, healthier, and fuller. And the results? You'll be amazed at how quickly your plants perk up and start flourishing. All from a single spoonful of tomato. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free and we share new tips every single day to help you grow better naturally. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.